Hello, welcome to the demo lecture of A1 course. So today we will begin with sich vorstellen. Okay, what is sich vorstellen? It means to introduce oneself. Okay, sich means to oneself and vorstellen means to introduce. That is your name, where do you stay, what do you do, and etc. Right? So today we are going to learn about how to introduce oneself. Yeah. Okay. So while asking for the name, there are three types. Okay. First type that we are going to learn here in this slide is Wie ist Ihr Name? That is the literal translation of what is your name. Okay. So Wie ist Ihr Name? That IHR is pronounced as ear, right? Wie ist Ihr Name? Here, whenever there is IE, then it will be pronounced as E. And when there is EI in the word, then it is pronounced as I. Okay. So, wie ist Ihr Name? What is your name? Ihr is for respected. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है? That is the literal translation. So, wie ist Ihr Name? Mein Name ist. So my name is, and after that you tell your first name and last name or surname. Okay. So first name is called as Vorname. Vorname. And for surname or family name, we say it Nachname. Nachname or Familienname. Okay. Nachname or Familienname. So my first name is Vaidehi. Ja, mein Vorname ist Vaidehi und mein Nachname ist Darbhe. Mein Name ist, so while telling my name, I'll say mein Name ist Vaidehi Darbhe. Okay, so my name is Vaidehi Darbhe. Yeah, that is very easy to pronounce, and German is very phonetic. So that is why it is very easy to learn. Yeah, good. The other type of telling your name is B hyphen Z. Yeah, B hyphen Z. This beta sign, as I told, this beta sign is called as SZ, and the pronunciation of this SZ is as S. Okay, the sound of SZ is S. So V hyphen Z. Here again it is IE. So we will pronounce this as Z. Z means you respected. Up. Okay. V hyphen Z. What are you called as? So hyphen means to call. Okay. Hyphen, that will be like what are you called as? Yeah. So लोग आपको क्या बुलाते हैं? That kind of question. So mostly we use our first name, or you can also say Mr. or Miss, Mrs. and your last name. Okay. But mostly we prefer our first name. Ich heiße, and then you can tell your Vorname. Yeah. Vorname. So here I would say Ich heiße Vaidehi. Yeah? Ich heiße Vaidehi. Now this is also oftenly used while speaking. Yeah. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße, and then your first name. So here, ich heiße Vaidehi. Yeah, good. So now the third type is wer sind Sie? Means who are you? Yeah, wer sind Sie? Who are you? Wer means who, sind means are, and Sie means you respected. Okay, आप कौन हो? So ich bin means I am. Ich means I, bin means am. Ich bin Frau. So Frau here means Miss or Mrs. and Herr means Mr. or Master. Okay. So for ladies we will use Frau and for gentlemen we will use Herr. Okay. And of course, after saying Miss, Mrs. or Mr. Master, we use our surname. So here also we will use our Nachname. Yeah. Ich bin Frau Darbhe. Yeah. Ich bin Frau Darbhe. So if you are Mr. or Master, you can say Ich bin Herr and your surname. Yeah. So Ich bin Frau, Ich bin Herr. This is the way to introduce yourself formally. Okay, good. Yeah. So after that, we will learn about the location that is called as Ort in German. Ort. Yeah. So where do you live? Huh? Where do you live in India? Let me know in the comment box. So now we will learn about the Ort, which means location. Huh? So wohnen. Wohnen means to live, to stay. Yeah. Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Huh? Wo means where. Okay. Wo means where. Wohnen means to live. So while asking, you will say wo wohnen Sie? And while answering, you will say ich wohne in. Yeah. I live in. So for example, I live in Mumbai.
Hey everyone! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Sprachwelt Academy. And let me know in the comments how you found this video. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you are looking to learn German or preparing for international exams, Sprachwelt Academy is the right place for you. For more details, check out my website sprachweltacademy.com. See you in the next video. Happy learning!